Illinois weather, I got a major update on that winter storm that could cause problems right around Christmas time. Could it bring blizzard-like conditions for your area? I'll be looking at the snowfall totals and the timing of when this winter storm will impact you. All that coming up in this video. Let's start off looking at the GFS model on Radar Omega. If you don't already have Radar Omega, go to the App Store and go get it. It costs $8.99, but it is well worth the money. I do swear by it. It is a good life-saving radar tool. But the area of concern I'm looking out for is this area right here where I'm circling at. Please be on alert in that area. I'm going to give you a milk and bread warning. Go ahead and go out there and get your milk and bread as we prepare for this potential winter storm and possible blizzard. We're going to push us out to the main event. Starts entering the zone right around Thursday morning over there by Missouri, Iowa, Kansas, and northern Oklahoma, parts of southeastern Nebraska. Now, the major impacts won't be until right around Thursday night into Friday morning, as I think the worst of it's going to hit right around the Ohio Valley area here, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. Parts of Wisconsin is going to be affected by that as well. Now, Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, y'all be getting lots of snow as well. But I don't think it's going to be as bad for y'all as I think the area concerns over here by Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, and Michigan. This really won't get out of the area till right around Saturday afternoon, Christmas Eve night. So it looks like this area will see a white Christmas. Now, how much snow could you expect? It's like by 10 o'clock in the afternoon on Christmas Eve night. Now, this is according to the GFS model. This is one of many model runs. So you could expect upwards of almost 35 inches of snow up by Kalamazoo, Elkhart, Indiana, near South Bend. Upwards of 30 inches of snow by Lafayette. As you head towards Indianapolis, about 5 to 10, I'd say. Head further south, there's a lot less snow, about 3 to 6. And over by Louisville, over here by Canton, Ohio, about 3 to 6 as well. Now I'll circle this for y'all to show you. This area here, about 35 to 40 inches of snow just about. Here in the red, 30 inches. Around 5 to 10 in this area. About 40 inches here in this zone. 30 inches in this zone. 20 inches in the green zone. And 5 to 10 in the pink in this area. And 3 to 6 on the outside skirts of that. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the wind gusts. We're going to push this out of the event. This is why I'm thinking you could see blizzard-like conditions. 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts possible over the Ohio Valley. Over there by Missouri as well. You're still going to be dealing with those frigid temperatures as well. I'll show you the temperatures too. I'll really start getting frigid out by Christmas Eve. They ran single digits down in the negatives. Single digits in the Indiana. -3. Wow, that's going to be a pretty cold event as well. Alright, let's look at the Euro. Push this out to the 22nd as the storm system starts ramping up over by Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma by 1 o'clock on the 22nd. Starts entering the Ohio Valley and causing major impacts for that area by Friday morning. Really don't start getting out of the area until Christmas Eve night. Really, it's going to be a pretty long-lasting event. I'll show you the snow totals from this. We're going to be getting a lot of snow. Down in northeast Illinois, about 20 inches. It's showing less snow than the GFS is. So this one's more believable. 5 to 10 over here in this zone. 3 to 6 over here in central Ohio. I'll zoom in actually. Show y'all. Okay, see, about 20 inches up here in southern Michigan, 16 inches over by Chicago area, 3 to 6 in this zone, 1 to 2 further south you go, of course, 5 to 10, depending from southwest part of New York all the way over into Illinois in the pink here, if that's 5 to 10. As a reminder, at the end of the video, I will give you my thoughts on how much snow you could see. Kind of wind gusts does the Euro say. Now look at that. Wow. Just look at that. Just look at it. About 60 mile an hour wind gusts in northern Indiana, so definitely blizzard-like conditions are expected right around Christmas Eve weekend. Let's look at the Canadian model. Push this out to the 22nd. I see it's setting up over the Central Plains from Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa area. Enters the Ohio Valley by 23rd. Really don't get out until Christmas Eve morning, pushing it out even faster than the other two models were, which could mean less snow. We'll zoom in to the Ohio Valley. That's right, this one is showing less snow. We're by the lakes, 26 inches, 5 to 10 in this pink zone here, as you can see. Still about 3 to 6 over here by central to southern Ohio. About 2 inches over here by Pittsburgh area. Missouri, 3 inches to 4 inches. They're all showing about the same, really. I'll show you the wind gusts. And all these models are showing about the same temperatures as well. It's gonna be really cold. Wind gusts still about the same. Show you the blended models lastly. Now this model puts all of them together, spits out one conservative total, how much you could see. So it looks like 20 inches up here in much of southern Michigan, 5 to 10 for much of Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, 3 to 6 in this zone, 2 inches the further south you go. Basically the Euro is showing less snow totals, Canadian's kind of in the middle, and the GFS is showing a lot. So I'm gonna go with the Canadian model for your snow totals. About 5 to 10 in this area, a lot of snow up there in Michigan, 3 to 6 in this zone. So that'll do it for this video. So basically, if you live from the plains out into the Ohio Valley, expect major travel impacts as there could be blizzard-like conditions by the end of this week into Christmas. I'll have a video out later this week, possibly Thursday, maybe Friday, don't know yet. I will keep y'all updated. Please go follow the Williams Weather Facebook page as I keep y'all updated. I will have an As Live video outside of Williams Weather headquarters here in southern Indiana, as this winter storm is going to be impacting the Williams Weather headquarters. I'll be doing 8 o'clock, noon, and 5 o'clock updates. So go out and get your milk and bread. If you live in the plains and over in the Ohio Valley, I'm giving y'all a milk and bread warning. So get your supplies now. Go get your kerosene heaters. Get your generators, as power could be knocked out if you live in these areas because of the gusty winds. If you like the video, please consider giving it a like. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. And until next time, never stop forecasting, and Merry Christmas.